Hey, good morning, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to a Sam's Club to buy some groceries and then probably hit a thrift store, a couple of them, and let's get into it. It's gonna be a good day today. It's a beautiful day in Florida, and let's turn on some AC. It's 77 degrees right now. And we got gold, and I got gold, and I got gold, gold. First up, I see you, Sam's. The second stop, the Goodwill. Here we go. Alright guys, I just got done with thrifting. I went to Goodwill and went to Beans, and let me show you what I got. Alright, I got this East On bat. There is the model number. Paid like $1 for that one. And I got this Canon AF35M. It's pretty cool looking film camera. And I got the Olympus stylus in the box. And this Philips VCR, and I got this turntable Technics. It's got some little scratch on it, but I'm just gonna clean this up. And I got this at the Goodwill. I paid $2.99. This one, the combo VCR and CD, pay $18.99. A little high, but I tested it out and it works. And I got this one for the $2 at the Goodwill. First shirt I got is Paradise Found. It's a really nice shirt, Hawaiian shirt with a parrot on it. The other one is Coogie shirt. Got embroidered Coogie. Paid $4.49, and it's got dry clean already. This nice looking shirt. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like this content. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching.
Yeah.